You look outside right now, still have some of these clouds overhead. And as we go through the next couple of days, we'll start to get some more sun in here. And that's going to really help to warm these temperatures up as well. In fact, by tomorrow, we are back into, or at least pushing 80 degrees. Here's the view from space, the true color satellite imagery, lots of cloud cover out into the Gulf of Mexico. You see some of these breaks over us. These clouds are producing a few showers. Here it is on Sky Tower radar, but notice where they're going. They're not heading towards us. They are basically just sliding to the north and the east, and so everything kind of staying away from us. Now, as we go through this afternoon, we've seen a couple little small showers out into the Gulf, and might see that quick little shower here or there, but we're going to keep that rain chance at about 10% as we head through the rest of the day. And these temperatures definitely milder. 73 here in Tampa, 77 degrees right now in Brandon, 78 as you head into Sebring, and then up into Newport Richey at 72. The one spot still in the 60s as an influence of the water, St. Petersburg still at 64 degrees. Elsewhere across the state, you get into the upper 70s, down across South Florida, and then still holding on to the mid 60s up across the northern part of the state through the Panhandle, but everybody continuing that warming trend. Anywhere from about 7 up to about 12 degrees warmer compared to this time yesterday. And with that surge of warmth, that warm air coming up from the south, that is also bringing some moisture. We had that very dry atmosphere. Now we're bringing that dew point number up, and you'll probably start to notice as we head into the second half of the week a little bit more of that humid feel outside. So here's the view over the state. We've got the showers in the Gulf, a couple of showers over on the other side of the state. So that's why we're keeping those rain chances low, because every once in a while you see a couple of showers maybe getting a bit closer to us. But then as you look across the southeast, still a mess. You're seeing a lot of cloud cover. You're seeing a lot more of these showers across Texas, but this is an improvement compared to yesterday. Remember yesterday we were talking about the big ice storm working its way through Arkansas, Missouri, up into Illinois, all the icy roads. Well, that has come to an end. Warmer air is pushing to the north, and that has pushed all the wintry weather much further to the north. So it's places like Michigan, up towards New York, places like Wisconsin. That is where the sleet, the freezing rain, and the snow is. South of that, it is a cold rain, but at least it's rain and not ice that is falling right now. So what we have as we go through the rest of today, just more of those variably cloudy skies, more clouds than sun for today, but temperatures are definitely milder, all thanks to more of that east and eventually southeasterly wind. May see a random shower or two later on this afternoon, but again, that rain chance about 10% or less, and we just continue that trend. I think we start to get into some more sun for tomorrow. We'll call it partly cloudy skies and warm temperatures. We keep the rain away. Now, eventually, as we head towards Friday, we'll see a better chance of some showers. Not a big deal, but 30% chance of those showers. Front will work its way through. It'll cool us down a little bit as we head into Gasparilla on Saturday. But over the next several days, we're looking at daytime highs in the 80s. By Saturday, we're still looking pretty good. Partly cloudy skies and that temperature right around 79 degrees. So a nice looking Gasparilla, 79 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And so you notice as we go through the next 5 days, we are talking about above average temperatures. So the forecast for today, 75 degrees under mainly cloudy skies, but it's a mild afternoon. Then for tonight, some clouds around, overnight low down to 66. For tomorrow, partly cloudy, warm afternoon, daytime high at 80 degrees. On the water today, winds are out of the east at 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3 feet, moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. One tide remains for today. That's a low tide, or a high tide rather, at 11:42 this evening. Warming trend continues through the rest of the week. Cold front heads through late in the week, and that will cool us down a little bit. But then notice as we head into next week, we're back into the 60s. Some of that cooler air starting to make a return. Linda.